Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jo and I am the Programme Director of Health and Social Care and Early Years at Sheppey College. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our course that we run here at Sheppey. We have got a very rewarding and satisfying careers for the courses that we offer. Our department is growing bigger and bigger every year. We currently offer a level 1 course which gives the students opportunity to work on units in health and social care and in early years at the same time. We offer a level 2 health and social care course and a level 2 early years course, and we currently offer a small group of level 3 year 1 health and social care students too. So, if I give you a little bit more information about health and social care, the course itself covers all sorts of aspects of working in the health and social care industry, from working with adults with disabilities and additional needs through to the elderly and supporting families and children. Our health and social care level 2 and level 3 courses offer 75 hours as a minimum of work placement experiences as well. So we do have a colleague, Sue, our placement lady, who helps you to find your placement and supports you in your placement whilst you're there. At the end of our level 2 course, you are qualified to go and work in the health and social care industry, and the same with our level 3 course. Our level 3 course also offers a small amount of UCAS points if you are looking to progress on to university in the future for any of your career options that you might be thinking of. Our early years course is specifically for people who are wanting to work with children between the ages of 0 and 7, but with the emphasis being on 0 to 5-year-olds. It's a year-long course, and the course does carry 50% coursework and 50% placement activities. You will be required to go out into placement 2 days a week, as well as a week during term time in a nursery or in a school where you'll be working with children in the settings, specifically in nurseries and in schools, and at the end of the year-long period you will be qualified to go and work in with children. Okay, so the main differences are with the health and social care and early years course that health and social care is focused on adult care and early years is focused on working with children. We do have uniform in both departments and both courses, so we will be requiring you to wear a uniform t-shirt out into placement. That is to protect you from any spills and mess, particularly in early years where you might get covered in paint, glitter, glue, and also to identify you as a student, so that when you are out with the working with people, the employers and any parents and people that you can come into contact to know that you are a student at Sheppey College. So the courses themselves are really hard working courses. They are quite demanding. We do expect students to be fully committed to the work experience side of the courses as well, and especially with early years you do have to get very involved in the work experience, because you will have observations and assessments out in your work placement also. But it is a very fun and rewarding courses that we offer here at the college, and they are growing bigger and bigger every year. It's a really fun environment to come and work in. Our classrooms are really nice, and we do lots of practical activities and lots of fun activities. We would help to find your work experience placement for you. We aim to get your placement as close to your home as possible, and we work with a number of settings and employers across Sheppey, Sittingbourne and into Faversham for your work placement. Sometimes you will be required to go to work placement slightly away from your home, which may mean a bus or a train journey. So you must make sure you are committed to travelling if that is necessary for your placement experiences. Our class sizes are usually around 15 students in a classroom, so it's a lot smaller than schools, which is absolutely fantastic, and it enables us to work very closely with you students and also to give you the support that you need. You would be at college approximately 2 to 3 days a week, depending on what course you are doing and whether you are also doing English and Maths alongside your health and social care or early years course. If you are doing early years, you will be in placement 2 days a week, as well as your college days, so it is a full week for early years. And with health and social care, you are likely to be in placement 1 day a week, so you would likely to be in college 3 to 4 days for health and social care, depending on the placement hours and where you have to go for your work experience as well. If you do have any questions about the course, please feel free to contact Sheppey College. You can post any questions on our Facebook page. We also have a website. If you're wanting to apply for early years or health and social care, please apply via our Sheppey College website page. Our courses are extremely popular and we are telephone interviewing now for September start date. So please don't hesitate to get your application through. If you don't have access to a computer, you can ring Sheppey College on 581 581 and we can send out a paper application to you if that is easier for you. And as I say, we are interviewing at the moment for our Sheppey September start for our new courses. We have been very successful within our early years courses. A lot of our students do go on to get jobs in their work placement. So we have a lot of students that go straight from college into working in a nursery or in a school, and the same with our health and social care students as well. We have a lot of students who go straight into health and social care industry from their work placement as well, so that has been really very successful and a strength from the health and social care department. Okay, so entry requirements for early years in health and social care. For our level 1 course, we would ideally like you to have a GCSE in Maths and English around the grade 1 or 2. For early years, we are looking for you to have a 4 in English and Maths. This is because you will be teaching children English and Maths when you are in placement, so you have to have a specific level of those subjects yourself, and the government do require all early years practitioners now to have that English and Maths GCSEs. Don't panic too much if you don't get your 4 this year. We can look at you resitting your GCSEs alongside your courses if necessary. We would be looking for ideally 3s in English and Maths for health and social care 2, and 4s and above in English and Maths for health and social care 3 as well. So we do go on trips throughout the year. We often go to Canterbury Christchurch University with health and social care students to look at their medical suite and their nursing courses that they do down there. We're also hoping to go to London for early years this year to go to the Nursery World exhibition, which is a big exhibition and conference specifically for professionals in the early years setting. We have lots of support in college for students with anxiety. We have student mentors who are available to support you if you are feeling anxious or if you need any support outside of the classroom. And obviously we can support you within the classroom with different techniques as well. Can it lead to university? Yes, we would definitely say level 3 health and social care and level 2 early years can put you on a pathway to university if you are looking at going to university to become a teacher, social worker, health visitor, nurse, anything along those lines. You are certainly looking at the right course with early years and health and social care at Sheppey College, and we have had a number of students in the past who have gone successfully on to university from studying with Sheppey College, so that's really promising and really good news. If you have applied for a course already and you're doing, you've been offered a place on health and social care or early years, we do have the option to swap you to either health and social or early years if you've not been offered that when it comes to enrolment, and depending on how many students we have already enrolled on the course. If you have already applied and you're unsure whether you want to go for early years in health and social care, I will be doing the telephone interviews, so I can help you with that. That's absolutely not a problem at all. And as I say, if you are offered a course which is health and social care but you want to do early years, or vice versa, we can look at that actually in enrolment in August for you. Okay, so why is college different from sixth form? College really is very different from sixth form. We are treating you as adults, and we are getting ready for you to go and work in the early years or health and social care industries. So we are very much treating you like adults and as you would be treated in the workplace. We are really pushing for you to develop those professional skills and those skills for life to be able to go and work in the industries that you are looking into. And also with college, which is very different from school, your tutors have got industry experience. So we have all worked in either health and social care and early years. We have got qualifications in those, and that is our background and that is our passion. That is very different from sixth form, where sometimes tutors will teach on courses where they haven't worked in the industry or they haven't got any real knowledge of it. So we are very, very different. Our passion is early years and health and social care, and that's why we deliver such good and high quality courses within those areas in the health and social care department. We can really tell you about what it's like to work in those settings and in those roles and in those jobs, and we can support you particularly in work experience, and we can support you with your course and with your studies from our knowledge and from our passion from those courses. You do not need to have studied health and social care or early years before you apply to college. Some students will have done health and social care or early years or childcare as a GCSE. If you have, that's absolutely fantastic. You will have some knowledge of some of the subjects we cover. If you haven't, please don't worry, because again, we can start you off on the level 1 course, the introductory course, if we need to, and move you through the level 2 and level 3 courses as you progress and your knowledge and your confidence grows. So that's absolutely fine. You don't need to have that prior experience and prior knowledge of early years in health and social care. Okay, hopefully that's been really helpful for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you who have applied at enrolment, and if not, interviewing and processing applications for those who are interested in the courses. Good luck everybody, thank you, bye bye.